Another cricketing embarrassment slips quietly under the radar as yet another season of the CPL is on the way without the Jamaica Talawas or indeed without any Jamaican franchise. Now, generally, we would feel ashamed, but having become so accustomed to being ashamed, we have become shameless. But the reality, though, of Jamaica, with the biggest cricket-playing population in the region, with one of, if not the best tourist products in the entire world, we are here sitting on the sidelines, twiddling our thumbs, looking helplessly on, while St. Lucia, St. Kitts, Antigua, Barbados, along with Trinidad and Guyana, much smaller territories with a combined population that is less than Jamaica's population, yet they all have CPL franchises playing exciting T20 cricket under the light, while in Jamaica, our entertainment is limited to watching the PNP and the JLP in a fight.